Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Rob Griggs.
Beautiful Saturday, and folks getting outside enjoying themselves, but we've been sort of warning you now for the past several days that there's a big change coming in. Of course, Ed McIntosh and Bob McGuire talking about that all through the work week, and we're starting to see that develop here this afternoon. Moving in out of the southwest, several showers and thunderstorms beginning to pick up. Some of those showing up in and around the Billings area. A lot more heavy weather already north of Lewistown up toward Havre, and a big old line of thunderstorms moving into the Dakotas right now, developing all the way up into Canada. So it's probably going to be a bumpy night for some of our neighbors. Let's talk about some other issues that'll be coming down the pike here pretty quick. From Monday morning to Tuesday evening in this area in north central and western Montana, a flood watch. Now, this is because of heavy rains that'll be moving through all the way through, well, at least Tuesday evening. And along the front range of the Rockies, some locations could see up to 6 inches of rain. That's a lot of water, and it's all coming in. Starts off with this chance for strong to severe thunderstorms. This is the look for tonight, the convective outlook. You notice across portions of central Montana, there's a slight risk of strong to severe thunderstorms, and then out here, just a marginal risk. Billings is just inside the marginal risk area, but not too far to the north there. There's that slight chance. What could we see in these strong to severe thunderstorms? We could see hail, you can see damaging winds, and heavy rain. Heavy rain is going to be a common denominator for us as we move ahead. So again, possible severe thunderstorms again tomorrow as well as this evening. Tomorrow, much cooler temperatures on the way. Those are going to stay with us for several days. And as far as rainfall totals are concerned, Billings could see anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of rain by Tuesday evening. So we're talking about significant precipitation right now. And you can see the temperatures quite a bit warmer out here in the east, already starting to cool down as a cold front advances and moves across the state. You can already see on the plot from the 24-hour ago graph, much cooler right now in central and western Montana than it was just 24 hours ago, indicative once again of that cold front already making its way through. Full 23 degrees colder in Helena right now than it was just this time last night. Still warm out here across the plains, but that cold front's on the way. And we've just had a gorgeous day here in Billings. Still very nice out there, 88 degrees, winds from the east about 9 miles an hour, and the barometer starting to fall because weather is changing on us. We hit 90 degrees officially for the high, 82 the average, 67 this morning, so it was balmy. In fact, almost uncomfortably warm. By about 7 o'clock this morning, it already felt like we hit the daytime high there in some places. Here's that cold front moving through. Look at that, severe storms in the area. The warm weather will be moving away rapidly. Tomorrow, a good 20 degrees colder than it was today. I should say cooler. Cold is sort of a relative term, isn't it? And I don't have any cold relatives, but I mean, you know what I'm saying. Cooler weather is moving in by a good 20 degrees. So the severe thunderstorms pop up again tomorrow afternoon. Heavy rain, though. Pay attention to that because over the next couple of days, it's going to rain and rain and rain. Cooler temperatures on the way, staying with us for several days. That cutoff low is not moving very quick, and it's not going to be moving out very fast. So that's why those rain showers just continue to fall, and it'll be interesting to see what the tallies we're finally going to end up with by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But we'll have some water, that's for sure. The forecast tonight, possible severe evening thunderstorms clearing up later on. We'll drop down to the 50s and 60s, even a couple of 40s there for places like White Sulphur Springs. Another chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Highs much cooler than today, the 70s, maybe a couple of low 80s, and even a few 60s out there. This is the extended forecast. After our 60-degree low, we only climb about 10 degrees tomorrow with a 90% chance of occasionally heavy rain again with isolated thunderstorms. 69 on Monday, 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms, 73 on Tuesday. Then we start to see one last shot of those thunderstorms in 75. But look at the good news as we move toward the 4th of July. Sunshine, and it's going to get hot and dry once again. David?
Okay, thank you, Rob.